we do hair transplants. So they said get into the consumer's mind. So we get into the consumer's mind through modern ultra-refined hair transplants. We create customers. A person who has no hair, he will not come to the salon. Rakesh Roshan, Hrithik Roshan ka father will just shave it off. So give them hair so they become repeat customers. That is what hair transplant does. It improves the image of the person. The benefits for salons, of course, after hair transplant, he goes for regular haircut, hair styling, hair coloring. Now, hair transplant, as you can see, can improve the image of person. He feels proud of himself. But you also have to remember, now as more and more celebrities start coming and getting their hair transplants done, people will come to you and say, okay, मैंने भी hair transplant कराना है. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए hair transplant कैसा होता है, that is one thing, so that you can guide them correctly. The basic of hair transplant is that we have different types of hair. The hair in this area, or beard, or body is permanent. It is not, it does not shed throughout life. So we take those permanent donor hair and transplant them into the bald area, and we get hair. But that is just the science part of it. I believe that hair transplants are an art, but a customer of yours to some hair transplant place, because if you send him to the wrong one who spoils his scalp, then that you lose that patient or that customer also. He'll not come back to you. He doesn't trust you. So what you do, you always ask, if you want to refer to someone, you say, हमें अपना actual patient देखने दो. Since this is not just science, it is art. और अगर आप किसी से portrait draw कराना चाहेंगे अपना, you will say, let us see your work. कैसा काम करते हैं आप, right? Hair transplant is an artistic, and the key word is artistic, surgical redistribution of permanent, long life hair follicles taken from donor dominant areas, that is these areas, and put into the bald areas. Some advances in hair restoration, and in this thing, I will be proud to share with you that the world's first beard hair to scalp transplant was performed by an Indian doctor in India, not by an American. We are ahead of the Americans in this. Now, advances in hair restoration is the stitchless fuse method. In this method, we do not cut. There is no need of a stitch. Just take out hair follicles and place them. Second benefit of the stitches method is that you can place much more hair, because donor increases. And the third is for ladies. These are also some sort of patients who have a high forehead. आप लोग उनको साधना कट देते हैं, but you can also have the option of lowering the hairline. Now these hair will keep on growing throughout life. You can cut them, you can shave them. This is traction alopecia. जब सरदार लोग पगड़ी हटा देते हैं, तो you'll notice यहाँ से बाल गया होता है, यहाँ से गया होता है. This is another of your people who can get hair transplants done. This is just the sort of thing which I want you to avoid. See, the person got plugs even today. और ये बुरे hair transplant होते क्यों हैं? I'll tell you the reason. Any doctor, any MBBS doctor can say, I will do hair transplant. It is legally permitted. But there is no course for learning hair transplant. आप एक आई स्पेशलिस्ट के पास जाएंगे तो आपको पता होगा कि उसने 3 साल आई सर्जरी पढ़ा है, इसलिए ठीक है. इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. So be very careful. This is something which I recommend because many times people say कोई मेडिसिन काम करता है, एलोपैथिक मेडिसिन बहुत अनसेफ है. I agree, because finasteride or minoxidil, they don't really help everyone, and they do have side effects. So this is the range which I recommend. It comes from Netherlands, and it has shown results. ऐसा नहीं कि बाल रुकना बिल्कुल बंद हो गया, but it slows down hair loss.